Callcabinet how-to video, I will explain how to use Callcabinet's compliant call download feature. A user is able to download recorded call audio from the cloud to their local machine in a number of different ways. This feature allows individuals who have the prerequisite permissions and a Callcabinet account to download and review call audio. Let's begin. Log into your Callcabinet account and proceed to the Callcabinet's call listing page from your main menu. There are numerous ways in which you may download a call. I will show you each of them. If the Downloads column is visible in your call listing page, select the call you would like to download by clicking on the download icon associated with that call. Immediately, Callcabinet initiates the download process to your local machine. Another way to download a call is through the call details page. Select the call you would like to download by clicking the View Call button associated with that call. The call details screen displays a wealth of useful information. The horizontal menu on this page gives users access to an array of vital compliance tools. From this list, click the Download button. This initiates the downloading of the call audio to your local machine. If you'd like to download the audio as well as any other media associated with the call for which you have a license, hover over the Download button, which will render the All Media button. Click on this to have Callcabinet compress all the contents into a single zipped file. When the dialog appears informing you that the compression process has completed, click the green Download text to download the compressed file to your local machine. You are able to download part of a call's audio. To do so, click on the Download Part button. This will result in the oscillogram changing to a semi-opaque white color. By clicking on the oscillogram, you are able to select the section of audio you want to download. The audio that appears in the darker blue section is the audio that will be downloaded. You may stretch it, and you may hover over it until your cursor goes into a cross and then drag it to the position that you want. Once you have decided on the audio that you require, click the download icon that has appeared in the action toolbar. Once the audio has downloaded, click on the cancel to reset your details page. Should you want to download more than one call at a time, you may do so by means of a bulk download in your call listing page. Proceed by clicking on the checkbox next to the call you'd like to download in the batch. You may select a maximum of 50 calls to download at a time using this process. Once all the calls are selected, click on the bulk download button. Callcabinet will compress all the selected calls audio into one zip file. Once the process is completed, a dialog will appear informing you that you may download the batch of calls. Download the batch of calls by clicking on the green download text in the dialog. Please wait for the download to complete before closing your browser. This concludes this how-to video on the different approaches you may use to download calls to your local machine through Callcabinet. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.